Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade from OpenJDK 21 to OpenJDK 23 on Rocky Linux 9.5. We will cover checking the current Java version, installing OpenJDK 23, updating the alternative system, and also verifying the upgrade by running a simple Java program. This tutorial is designed to help developers and system administrators to stay up to date with the latest Java features. Before we start, keep in mind that some older applications might not be compatible with a newer Java version like OpenJDK 23. If your application rely on specific features or a behavior of a Java 21, make sure to test the upgrade in a staging environment before deploying it to the production. So let's get started. Let's begin by checking the currently installed Java version by running this command Java version. This will display the current Java version installed on your system. If OpenJDK 21 is installed, the output will look something like this. OpenJDK version 21. Similarly, you can check Java compiler as well. If it is installed, you will get the output. So here you can see Java compiler is also installed and the version is 21. Next step, to update the system, run the command dnf update y. Enter the sudo password. This will ensure you have the access to the latest packages installed, and also this will refresh your package list and install the available updates if it is available for your system. So in my case, everything is up to date, so nothing needs to be updated as of now. So next step is to install OpenJDK 23 version. So for that, run the command dnf install java 23 OpenJDK as well as java 23 devel-y. This will take some time to download and install the packages. Here you can see it is installing 23 version. Java 23 OpenJDK package includes the runtime environment, and Java 23 OpenJDK devel package includes Java compiler. It includes tools like javac. If OpenJDK 23 is not available on your default repository, you may need to add a custom repository or download the RPM package from official OpenJDK website. So as you can see on my screen, Java OpenJDK 23 has been installed. So let's configure the alternative on the system. Once the installation is completed, configure the alternative system to use OpenJDK 23 as a default version. So for that, run the command. So this command will list the available Java version. Alternatives config Java. Here you can see Java 23 is there. You will see the list of installed Java. I have Java 11, Java 17, Java 21, and now Java 23 is also there. We have just now installed. So type the number corresponding to OpenJDK 23 and press enter. I will type 4 and press enter. So we will do the same thing for javac as well. Here we can see we have Java 17, Java 21 as well as Java 23. So I will enter 3 and press enter. So verify the installation and configuration by checking the Java again. Java version. This is configured to Java 21. We need to set it to Java 23. Get bash rc. Here you can see we have set Java 21. So we need to update that. For that we need to update user lib JVM. This we need to update till here. OpenJDK Java 23 hyphen OpenJDK 21. So let's edit the bash rc file. As of now I have checked in user lib JVM directory. There is another command, read link -f. You can check by using which Java. This will show where the Java is been installed. Which Java defines the location of Java executable, and read link -f resolve the symbolic link to find the actual installation path. So once we configured in bash rc, update the configuration. So to ensure Java is accessible system-wide, set the Java home path, which we have done in bash rc. Set the Java home environment variable in bash rc file. Add the path to OpenJDK 23 and update the path variable. So run source bash rc command, instruct the current bash session to read and execute the updated content in bash rc file. To ensure the changes, you can check Java home and path immediately, reflecting on the same terminal session. If you run this Java version, you will see it is set to 23. And also when you run read link command, it will show you Java 23 OpenJDK file. It is pointing to that. So we have verified Java as well as Java home. Let's verify Java compiler. It is also set to 23. So let's test with a simple Java program to ensure that everything is working by running a simple Java program. So we will create a file Test.java. I will copy the simple Java program on this file. So I'm creating this in JVM. Let's change the directory. Create. I'm in home directory of admin user. So let's create a test Java file here. paste it. So I will update print command. Print command is been updated now. So let's compile it using javac and run Java program. If everything is set up correctly, you will see the output. Java 23 setup is working. So that's it for this tutorial. I will show you the OS details as well. You can see it is Rocky Linux 9.5. That's it for the video. Today we have covered current Java and Javac version, installing OpenJDK 23, updating the alternative system for both Java and Java compiler, testing the setup with a simple Java program. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more tutorials on Rocky Linux and DevOps tools. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.